AFNL Sportmedia, Sport an nach vieles méi. you played today against a team who had not lost any game since the beginning of the season, but you managed to defeat them. So I guess you are happy as can be.
Yeah, today was a good win for us. Like you said, they came in and 2-0, and we came in hungry and ready to play. Personally, for myself, I started off a little sluggish, but then picked it up. But I'm happy for the results for all the team, and I think we played really good defense today, which put us over the top.
Yeah, let's talk about the defense. So in the first quarter, the whole team was extremely strong in that sector, and we saw also that Hostert had lots of difficulties to find the keys. And on the other side, you were there to point and to make a gap of 15 points at halftime. Was that the key moment of the game?
Oh yeah, for sure. That was our main focus. If we play defense, we communicate, and on the switches and everything, just be strong and mentally there, that we do a good job and stop their plays, and that's what we did. As you can see in the beginning, like you said, we held them to a low average, and then we came out and continued to play great D. Not only the starting five, but the bench came in and did a really good job as well, and that's what helped us get this victory and take the lead.
What could have gone better for the team?
I feel offensively we missed a lot of chippies, which a lot of guys usually make, easy layups on free throws and wide open shots, but the defense helped us. That was a key factor to this win tonight.
So now you are in good position with the win today. Do you think that you could play to go in the first division next year?
Yeah, that's one of our goals that's in the back of our heads, but right now we're just taking it game by game. We need to make sure that we take care of business every game. We let one slip for the first time, our first home game, but that's okay. We have plenty of games left, and we just came out there and just, each game we have to just compete, as a team, and we'll do well. And I think we have a very good chance to move up if we continue to do what we need to do.
What will be your biggest rival this season, you guys?
I'm not really too sure about the teams here yet, but I feel like every game is a rival for us. We need to come out and prove to ourselves and to everybody what we made of. But it's most important we stick together as a team, as a coaching staff and everybody, to make sure everything is good, and I think we'll be successful.
Thank you and good luck.
Yeah, thank you.